Mexican sunflower is native to the warmer and moister parts of North America. It occurs in Florida, Louisiana, Mexico, Central America, and the West Indies. Outside its native range, it is sometimes grown as an ornamental and has become naturalized in some parts of the world. In Africa, it has been recorded up to an altitude of 1,580 meters above sea level. The stems can be brittle. The dark green leaves are ovate in shape with serrate to crenate margins. The coarse leaves are usually entire, but occasionally will be three-lobed. The foliage and stems are covered with a soft, downy fuzz, and the underside of the leaves are hairy. Flowers are produced from midsummer until frost. The solitary flowers are born on fragile, hollow peduncles that are susceptible to being bent and are often broken by birds. Mexican sunflower grows best in full sun and in poor to average well-drained soil. Avoid planting in rich soil or heavy fertilization that would promote excess foliage and weak stems. Pinch back plants to encourage bushier growth. Sturdier plants are less likely to fall over, but plants often need to be staked to remain upright. Shelter from strong winds if possible. It has few pest problems and is not favored by deer. A mature stand of sunflowers makes a good addition to the vegetable garden, as the pollinators that attract will help increase your vegetable yields. One packet of Mexican sunflowers will give you many vasefuls of cut flowers throughout the summer. Plant them with companions that thrive in the same sunny site and average soil, like cosmos and zinnias, which will also act as a cut-and-come-again blooms for the cutting garden. Various studies have been carried out into the medicinal properties of this plant. A methanol extract of the dry leaves reduced pain levels and inhibited edema and granuloma, confirming the plant's traditional use in the treatment of painful inflammatory conditions. The flowers are used by many insects as a nectar source, including migrating monarch butterflies. It has shown great potential in raising the soil fertility in soils depleted in nutrients. It has shown to increase plant yields in the soil nutrients of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium.